many pizzas is Mrs. Winter's Pizza Shop going to have left? Do the work.
Felicia, focus.
Cut the pizza. Cut the pizza. Cut
Peel
the pizza.
Peel
the pizza. Peel it, what?
Sorry.
Peel it.
You have to cut it. You have to cut into the pizza.
Like peel off all the cheese.
What do we do here, guys? Come on. Write this down.
What's your answer? 3, 1, 4. So did you cut the pizza? You gotta cut into that pizza. You gotta cut one of those pizzas up, you guys.
Let me see it. Awesome. Bingo. Bingo.
Write it down. No, don't tell me.
So close, but where did that 4 fourths come from? It just magically appeared, did it? No, you're so close. You're so close. What's up? Yeah. Nice, Madison. Nice, Jessica. Keep rolling with that. Keep rolling with that. What? Yeah. Because it's a full. It's an absolute full.
How come you have nothing and take the quarter away? Remember, you have to cut one of those pizzas up, right? Start with your fractions, Kendra. Don't ever start with the whole. Start with the fractions. So, you have nothing here and you want to take the quarter away. What do you need to do? Cut the pizza. Yes. Good job. Let's go, Jessica. How much do you have left of that pizza? 2? So, okay, so you're going to cut one of the pizzas into how many slices? I'm not sure where you're getting the 2 from, though. How many pieces should you cut that pizza into? 5? Why 5? Why 3? What language is the fraction talking? Language of 4s. So if it's cut, yes. How many 4s? It's a whole pizza. Where are you getting the 19 from? How did this become a 20? Well, okay, so here's what you did. You cut all the pizzas. Only cut one pizza.
So we got to take from that. Yes, you have to take.
So if you started with 5 and you cut 1, how many do you have left? You had 5 pizzas and you cut 1. So 4 is your whole number. Now, how many slices did you cut that pizza into? 4 fourths. Now you can do the work. Good job. Careful.
Really?
Okay. Now, how do you go over? You make it a lot easier. Take one piece and how many slices are you?
So we need to do 4 minus 1 now, right?
What language? Speaking 4s, right? Speaking the 4 language. So cut your pizza into 4 slices. How many 4s is that then?
4 minus 2.
It's a whole pizza. It's 4 4s. 4 4s is your whole. So go ahead and write 4 4s. I'd ask you to do the same thing.
Or take away 2.
Cut one whole pizza. Now you have 4 left.
2.
Yes.
What's up for
Okay, so now cut it. You know how many slices?
You're doing it. Good. That's exactly
You're 4, right? That's your denominator. So what's your new fraction? No, don't get rid of that one. What's your fraction? You up here. Sure. Kendra, are you all done?
Okay, so what do you... Okay, you're absolutely right, Kendra. So you're cutting it into how many pieces?
Yes.
Okay.
What?
Now it's
4.
right?
Yeah. So it'd be 4 over 4. Exactly. That means it's a whole pizza. Okay? But no, now you take the subtraction. Now we can subtract 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. So that, yeah, exactly. Avery, don't help her though, because I don't know if that's a good choice.
All right, here we go. Let's open up the pizza shop. Hold on. Uh-oh. We got our new friend here. You guys? Oh, come on, that was weak. Alright, eyes on our new friend here. Welcome to Bob's Pizza Parlor.
Yeah, this is our new friend.
Bob. My name's Bob. Bob's the Pizza Parlor. I have a pile of pizzas. I didn't cut any of them yet, though. Because I don't know what kind of pizza you kids will want. So, why don't you keep that door closed? So, alright. I see it's Melody's birthday. Melody, how many pizzas do you need from Bob for your pizza for your birthday party? 2 1/4. Okay, I've got the 5 of pizzas. Well, I can give you the 2 of pizzas really easy, right? That's easy, but oh, I can't give her the 1 1/4. I need to cut one of the pizzas. So I'm going to take one of my pizzas. How many pizzas do I have left? How many whole pizzas? I have 4 whole pizzas left. And if I want to, I don't want to do a lot of work. I don't like working a lot. So how many slices should I cut my whole pizza into?
4.
Why a 4?
Because that's a whole.
Because that's how many, she wants her pizza into 4ths. So I might as well, hold on, don't talk kids. So I might as well cut the pizza into the right number of pieces. Here's my whole pizza. I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. So, what is my fraction over here now?
4
4/4. And Melody is going to take one of these slices, 1/4 away, which means how many slices do I have left?
3.
3
and 3
left over. Whoop, 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 whoop.
2 and 3.
Right now I'm making a fool of myself to try to teach this lesson, but unfortunately some of you are being fools and not paying attention. Sorry, plain and simple. I'm opening the bank of knowledge. The security guards are out to lunch. The money is sitting there for you. The knowledge is sitting there for you. The faucet of knowledge is pouring water out at a quicker rate, Calicia, than it ever has before. You need to make sure that you're filling your bucket up. Okay? I'm not trying to pat my back. I'm not trying to pat Mr. Lynch's back. How many teachers are willing to look like this big of an idiot to teach a lesson?
1.
Not many. And I'm not doing it because I do it because I care about you guys. But please, care about yourselves. So, we cut that whole pizza into 4 slices. Melody took one of the slices. That left us with 1, 2, 3 fourths. Now, how many whole pizzas will I have left?
4.
I started with 4, and I sold 2 of them to her, so I have 2 left. 2 and 3/4. Let's practice with one more.
And now, could I have the marker just for a second? Because I think we need to go over, too, what it means, a fraction, what a fraction looks like when it's a whole. Okay? Because I know sometimes we're like, oh, I think it's 2/4. That's not a whole. Any whole fraction is going to be the same number on top as it is in the bottom. 3/3, 2/2. These all equal the same thing. That equals 1. Okay? Now, sometimes it may look different. Before we even regroup, it may be let's switch this up and just put this as 2 and this is 1 over 4. We always need to add whatever we have. So how many would we add here if we're regrouping? We're going to add, we're cutting this whole into how many pieces? 4. So we're going over 4, plus we can't forget the one that we already have. So it will be 5 over 4. So that case it looks different. But when we're talking about whole numbers and we have nothing over here, it's going to be, you look at the bottom denominator, and it would be like 4 over 4, 6 over 6. 7 over 7, okay? So it's always going to be the same numbers on top and bottom. Okay, so when we're talking about a whole and we're moving it over, that's what it looks like. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Yep.
So we just saw some confusion on...
Well, here's... Make your math come alive, though, okay? Make a story out of it. Draw pictures for now. That's fine. Here we go. Let's try one more of these.
Bob's back.
Bob's the back. 6. I've got 6 pizzas this time, and for Brianna's Halloween party, she wants 3 2/5 of pepperoni pizzas. How many am I going to have left? Write it down. Do it. Write it down. Do it. Oh, look at she's not far behind though. No. Good job. Okay. What kind of pizza does she want? If she wants this, I'm going to do this, right? Top it. Go. Start right away with that same language. Nice job. Okay. Surely is. What's yours? Right on top. Start with 5 minutes. Took 2 and 1. Attaboy. Don, we're climbing the mountain, 5th graders. Nice job. Cut that pizza. Cut the pizza. Yes. Good. You're trying to cut the pizza. Good job. Yes. Yes. Cut that pizza. Nice job, Kendra. Good job. Kieran, you're almost there. You were there. Why did you erase it? You had it. 5 is minus 2. If there's anyone that needs help. Well, I think we're almost done actually. Oh, but how many pieces do we put? 5, not 2. Because you gotta keep your work though, okay? Otherwise we can't help. What? No. 5 over 5. Good. So, cut the pizza. Now it will be 5 minus 2 equals 1. Good, you can help her. Yes, good job. Next time, keep your work though, okay? So we can see it. Good. You knew you had to cut that 1 pizza in 5ths. Good job. Good. Yes.
3 would be at the top. Yeah. 3 at the top. What's our denominator? 5. Yeah. What's our denominator? Good. You're not done yet, are you? Yeah. Bingo.
So now it's going to subtract 5 minus 2.
You understand what we're doing here?
Yes.
Alright, it looks like for the most part everyone's finished. So, Mr. Chase, you want to come up here?
Yeah.
Explain it loud and proud what we're doing here. Guys, listen to Chase. Come on. All right. What are you doing here, Chase? Say it.
You have to cut the pizza so it has to be 5 instead of 6. And then you have to minus 2 by 5, and then that equals 3. And then that the denominator stays the same. And then wait. Yeah, you're right.
Donis, Calicia.
And then 5 minus 3 equals 2.
Excellent. Does everybody agree? Put your hands in the air.
Thank you.
Wow, that was much better.
That's what we're talking about.
That was much better.
All right, let's tackle a problem like what Mr. Lencher was talking about, where we have some pizza already cut, but not enough. So that would be a problem like this. I have 3 1/5 pizzas cut, but for his football party, Adonis wants 1 3/5 of a pizza. How much am I going to have left at Bob's Pizzeria?
Everyone should be writing right now. Julian, you're writing.
Mr. Adams' name was. No.
Well, let's give him a chance to get started. I love the enthusiasm, but we have to give him a chance first. Okay. What you're saying is you're going to take 1/5 and subtract 3/5, right? Can you do that? Can you take a larger quantity or a larger amount of 3/5 and take away from 1/5? Good. No, you don't have enough. So you need to cut into one of those pieces. What are we cutting that? Okay, same thing. You only have 1/5 of a pizza cut.
You have one initial.
And you want to take 3/5 away, can you?
No, I don't.
Friends, let's go back to 1, 2, 3, eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
Okay, I'm noticing a couple of people are doing this. Go back to probably 2nd grade? Well, probably not that low, but 1st or 2nd grade, and think to yourself, can I have 1 and take 3 away?
No.
No. So that's really all you're doing, because they're already in the land of fifths. So I need to get more up here.
If Mr. Adamson or Mr. Bob has 1 piece and I say, hey, I need 3 pieces, Bob, do you think he's going to have enough pieces?
No.
No. So think of it that way. The top always has to be the master, the top dog. It's got to be the bigger number, the stronger number.
So if you don't have enough, cut the pizza. And remember, the denominator is going to tell you how many slices you're going to make. The denominator always tells you.
Tyriana, do you understand what you did now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I think so. Wait. Are you something to turn into a 5? 10? Does it turn into a 10? 11? That's right.
You can't do 1 minus 3. So what do you have to do?
How many? So every category I have
You carry over here.
so you're returning
Don't have enough, right?
So you're cutting that
Cut
piece
one
into the pizza
how many
into
do we have left?
So you're carrying a 5 over.
2, good.
So 5
Now, how many
plus that 1
slices should we add?
equals what?
Yeah, you got 5, which means now you have 6. Good. So now you
We're trying that 5 over, so 5 plus 1 equals what?
Okay.
Yeah,
Let's not
you're
make
adding
this
that
one
over. You can't repeat, you already have 1
How
piece.
many slices are we going to cut?
Yes, so 6.
Denominator tells you how many slices. So how many slices do you have now? You start with 1 and you add 5.
Yeah, so you would need that. Exactly, so you're able to do that, right?
Oh, we cut our pieces into something like that.
So make that into 6 fifths. Now you can do your work. Sure, you can do it. 6 fifths minus 3 fifths. Because you're going to cut a pizza. So you have 3 whole pizzas, you're going to cut one of them into 5 slices.
All right, Avery, can I have your sheet thing?
So here's my weird thought of the day. I have a lot of those. I'm picturing a big neon sign. How many people have ever seen a neon sign? It might say like open or seats available or what, a bright light that draws your attention to the restaurant, right? I'm picturing that outside of our pizza shop, it says we cut our pizza into blank slices. And what number is going to tell me the blank? What number is going to fill in the blank? The what? What part of the fraction tells me how many slices I cut it into? So what? Because that was an accident. I know you weren't just drawn on your board. Quick. What part of our fraction tells us how many slices we should cut our pizza into? The numerator or the denominator? The denominator. The bottom number always tells you how many slices to cut your whole pizza into. So, who said they're going to solve it up here? I thought somebody's already picked. Yep. Whoever Mr. Al picked.
Yeah,
Right.
Abigail.
Thank you for supporting her. Nice job, Abby. Okay, here we go. Here's your homework.
Come back here, please.
Okay, here we go. What I want you to do, I'm going to hand these out, and I want you just to look up here right away. Okay? So that way we can talk about what problems we can practice at home tonight. What did I just say, Adonis?
No, but you could grab a piece of towel and make it wet and then wash it. No, with water and then wash it. Oh, I need to show you.
Okay, how many more do we need? 4? Okay.